Right, fantastic morning. I was here somewhere kwaba mraso yenhwe nsema ekoso akodimu. Nsema na bebre. Yes, fantastic out here ba. Oneexpert.com na dey sia konkon. E dey nsema na dey bra Oneexpert. And the matches on rank for this guy so DB ni pan say G-Fast Mesha so ye dry Badwam ma agina monai so na mema agina monai so G-Fast Mesha. Now set him on gel and roll on and so ye the A2 pain bia at the FU. You might queen sia konkon ye ho bamba yo. Kedwana kasani Erica see everybody be sha say the feed the Carabao Cup. And matches a bass so yes now to I don't know na and ra na ebede Man City prayer Southampton chene bono come you know I want to me anti City prayer BIS so better can hala mo be nemu Barcelona fantasy next round of the competition Northern Forest and in Manchester United na dey apem so na face Southampton in Newcastle dey apem so ni basso on the 24th of January Shannon so half mami we here the Carabao Cup and the matches be basso but one of them Fulham ni Chelsea anyway EPL game is here EPL for ni yidi fiwo te be hwese na be sia ko na ya ka Chelsea ho nsem ono omo a new signing Joao Felix waba ebe bolon kakra ne ade a wo se na ni age sa waba Chelsea Yenko PM the Spanish Super Cup semi-final and Real Madrid jina na so I qualify for the final and when Valencia na dey PM so 1-1 on boy Madrid winning 4-3 on penalties and Barcelona and Real Betis and a day Bonnie Shadow Safame now Okopim our League 1 and matches Barcelona Messi actually say he's back and Badwam papa against Angers Strasbourg ni Lan about 2-2 na Clermont-Foot about Rennes by 2-0 and also na Alele Seido and so Jinemu amo ewini 2-0 but yanko Real Madrid game no senesi kwae for World Cup no sika yenya no FIFA mfa mai but omo plan de omo de beda da person see 4-star hotel or pram na ya na teams ahodo no champion match back champion woni tini ade but scan there enya meduye
okay now me na me ba World Cup money no
yeah
I want to know
am I no
okay so all the money will come to the Football Association
yes
then I'm planning say mo this kind of be
okay wow
yeah because my question is born out of past experience
sometimes
can ba you find we World Cup 3 you need legacy we be what you say
but I am glad the minister was on the floor of parliament recently to say we'll have our own legacy project because Sewako World Cups 3 now there is nothing to put a finger on to be very honest with the exception of 2006 I buy Uranyantachi and I buy Echo Benkromu then the ministry decided say okay I buy Espendiska into say Monsomon Fase and could develop football for which reason they use the money to purchase cars pickups RFS and then they also built on the capacity and the secretariat regional football association that is the only benefit football has derived from the World Cup participation.
Yes. Right, and we are starting to nsema. What are two dra and no na yemfio ne kopiemu the Ghanaian Premier League match day 12 and Ramatema Kumasi Asante Kotoko etchen draw ne Tamale City Leo Mahama Sports Stadium and Kotoko Eddie Kansha and Ukraine own goal Tamale City beteka no.
It's so unfortunate.
Yeah.
Kotoko have been gifted a goal.
Look, it's a brilliant attack from Kotoko. On the counter, I've told you, they've looked very dangerous. And just when Mukwala was released here, he's in the run of Boateng. And I told you, Zebo had gone for the kill. He's just trying to lay it on the carpet for Boateng. But Nabila, without stretching leg, trying to clear that danger, puts the ball at his own back net. But look at the pass from Mukwala. Send the run of Boateng down the right side, and it's a very, very poor clearance.
Good play by Zeze. Was looking for the advantage. Referee says no. Bounces awkward in the 18-yard box. It's not totally cleared yet. Shot is right on target, and they're bucket again. Babamu seems to be the hero of the moment. Frederick Asari knows that the advantage is gone.
Yeah,
so Koroko and a train draw against Tamale City, and Tamale City 4 now. Normally House of Folk more beer so much many win no House of Folk last minute no more to me squeeze the film on some to record more munsham so much train draw if you got a consebono and Hamza Mohammed or why am coach or boy more honey at the idea shall so mammy chief fast minister okay honey in Sabono at the bro and share other results about so Enra in the league and the House of Folk Bebosh and so and Tamale City as an ecoroko one me dear Martin efficiency Waterman by 2 goals to 0 and Brecum Chelsea every day 1-0 over Carrella Summer Test 1 Bechem United 0 Legon City Sacra Sports Stadium and Dreams about 0-0 and RT Union Accra Lions and about Great Olympics and the Gold Stars Adriana Stars Nikotoku Royals Ken Faisal Kumasi Babanyara Sports Stadium Wamujina Monaiso na Wamane Accra so folk at the Abweni Shanenzosa Efa Emame yes Steady Gel and roll on can only someone I brought pin back Steady Gel and roll on Okai Neho yes Isaac the Royal Storm Dogbe is back and we did on the 1st of March on air brand to Cuba your friend Ramirez Carazana and Isaac said and Yabre Opeso Jindimbio
4 fights down the line we are up for World title fight, you know, very soon. We are looking at April 1st. You know, initially it was supposed to be March 18th. However, we are looking at April 1st, and so we have Robisi Ramirez next, a top opponent, a great fighter, also on the top rank, and you know, so right now this is where we are. Again, there's also other happenings, which is the BBC ordering a mandatory fight between myself and Mark Magsayo of the Philippines. So.
Right, there are some Dogbe. Now watching them so about Badwam, and the Ghana for him say on the first. About Badwam at the idea. I'm about the Daniel List Invitational Golf Tournament. No, a Basso the January 21, a Saturday. And I saw a tournament at a basso on a share second biasono. I young go for no small boy dangers for and a small gay dangers for one person more golf no. If it's me on that job now, that should be a young golfer so my.
So on the 21st of January, I'll be hosting a golf tournament that will involve 36 junior players from around West Africa. In a 9-hole shotgun start format with the intention of having as high level of talent as we possibly can. This will be followed by an award ceremony and dinner at the Labadi Beach Hotel. I think coming to Ghana in September 2021 and seeing the immense talent on display was the catalyst for what we're doing here today, and I think that on the 21st it'll be a great chance for all of Ghana to see the incredible talent that we have to offer that has been, for lack of a better word, underserved until now. But, we'll be having an under-15 competition as well as under-18 for both boys and girls. But the Danny List Foundation was something that that's been on my mind for many years. I was inspired by my grandmother and my mother's very giving and caring personalities. And even though it's more common for athletes to do this later in their career, given that I'm still quite early into my golfing endeavors, I think this is something that I intend to grow alongside me and as I progress in my sport.
Yes, and Sergio Manucho so could do press conference now say na ebisa say nya busy house. Until you said that change say nya busy. Daniel List, a professional golfer or a Ghanaian. I also be a golf academy in Ghana to honor talents, and so this is a tournament here. Chassis, be the HDB PMBR. You don't send bro. Jifas mesh more general nice so ban and payment na be more general na sepa na be bia a danchenya one expert us from more discard ya go bottom pin bekwa sediment gel and roll-on. Omo sponsors and opabia mo kanwa. Yeren samra de bro. Sergio Manucho, Bana Paributri, producer Sky say what in Nankasa Baka Kejwana ho. Erica Sidu Body. Bedroom Gusu Koso, Koswahing.